The planet Jupiter has been known to Earth observers since antiquity, as it is clearly visible in the night sky. It's the second brightest of the 5 planets visible to the naked eye. Of the 5 planets visible to the naked eye, since Venus is only visible in the morning and evening, Jupiter will be the brightest planet for most of the night. That's why in many cultures it's traditionally named in honor of the king of the gods. Jupiter is the first planet in the outer solar system beyond the asteroid belt. Along with Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, Jupiter, called the A-giant planet, the largest gas giant in the solar system, with a mass more than 300 times greater than the mass of the Earth. Jupiter's mass is so great, it's not just orbit the Sun and Jupiter revolve around a common center of mass, which is located outside the Sun. How big is the planet? If you take the mass of Jupiter and compare it to the rest of the solar system, we can get an idea of its size. The mass of Jupiter is more than 2.5 times the mass of all the other planets, moons, asteroids, and comets combined. Another way to estimate the size of Jupiter is to calculate how many times the Earth would fit inside it. If Jupiter were a floor, there would be thousands of planets. Thousands of Earth-sized planets would fit inside it. Jupiter is more than 1,000 times the volume of the Earth, and it's not as dense as the Earth because it's essentially made up of gas. Gases aren't as heavy or massive as the metal and rock that make up most of the Earth is made of. So at 1,000 times the size than the Earth, Jupiter's mass is only 317.8 times the mass of our planet. The diameter of the planet is also staggering, almost 143,000 kilometers in diameter at the equator. Slightly smaller, less at the pole. Jupiter's width is almost 7% greater than its height. There are 2 reasons for this. One of them is that Jupiter is spinning very quickly on its axis. It's spinning faster than any planet in the solar system, less than 10 hours per full revolution. Also, Jupiter is made up of gas, so it's not as dense and it bulges out more because of its fast rotation than the rocky planets. Jupiter is so big that if we were to fly through its atmosphere at 100 kilometers an hour, it would take over a year around the planet.